This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Yashica MG-2. First, let's get your camera powered up. You'll need a fresh 4LR44 battery. Carefully insert it into the battery compartment, making sure the positive and negative terminals align correctly. This battery powers the camera's essential light meter, which is vital for achieving well-exposed photographs. Without it, your camera won't be able to accurately measure light, impacting your shots. Next, let's load your film. Open the camera back by sliding the small latch on the side downwards. Insert a standard 35mm film roll into the film chamber on the left. Gently pull the film leader across to the take-up spool on the right. Make sure the perforations engage with the teeth, then advance the film slightly using the winding lever until it's securely caught. Close the camera back firmly. Now for exposure. Begin by setting your film's ISO speed on the dial located on the lens barrel. The Yashica MG-2 is a shutter priority camera, meaning it automatically selects the shutter speed. Your main control is the aperture ring. Adjust it to achieve your desired depth of field. The camera's light meter will provide a visual indication, usually a red or yellow light, to help you choose the optimal aperture for proper exposure. Finally, let's focus and shoot. Look through the viewfinder and you'll see a split-image rangefinder. Rotate the focusing ring on the lens until the two halves of the image align perfectly, indicating sharp focus. Once focused, gently press the shutter button halfway down to lock your exposure. Then, press it all the way down to capture your photograph. Remember to advance the film after each shot using the winding lever.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.